Gazpacho is the best, refreshing meal you can eat on a hot summer day. Before we continue, I forgot to turn on my ASMR mic, so well, you will only be able to see the food and hear only my voice. Start off by prepping the main vegetables. All the ingredients are listed in the video description. Remember to wash your vegetables since they are not being cooked in this recipe. %of the successful flavor of this Spanish beauty are fresh seasonal vegetables, because they have the true richness and taste to them. Red onion and garlic make a gazpacho pop with flavor. And of course, few foods pair as well as tomato and basil. White balsamic vinegar really lifts the acidity present in tomatoes. A pinch of red chili flakes makes for the light spiciness in the background. Let the vegetables marinate and get cold in the fridge for some time. Mix the vegetables long enough so that all the components blend together really well. Olive oil does more than add flavor. It gives the gazpacho its smooth, creamy texture and thickens the soup by creating an emulsion. That is also why I don't use white bread in my recipe, which is traditional for thickening gazpacho. Gazpacho tastes best when served fridge cold. Garnish to your liking and enjoy!